Modern Ford Rangers from 2019 to 2025 use advanced fuel level sensing systems. These systems integrate three key components: the Body Control Module, or BCM, the Instrument Cluster Module, or ICM, and the fuel level sensor in the tank. Several common issues can cause fuel gauge problems that require a reset procedure. The most common issues include fuel pump module replacement, battery disconnection or replacement, software glitches after system updates, and sensor drift due to ethanol fuel exposure. Now let's walk through the basic electronic reset procedure that can resolve most of these issues. Step 1. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Step 2. Press and hold the trip odometer reset button. Step 3. Turn the ignition off while still holding the trip reset button. Step 4. Continue holding the button for 10 seconds after turning the ignition off. Step 5. Release the button and turn the ignition back to the on position. The fuel gauge should now perform a self-calibration sweep. Finally, drive the vehicle until the fuel tank is nearly empty, then fill it completely to complete the calibration process. This basic reset procedure resolves most fuel gauge issues in modern Ford Rangers. The key is following each step precisely and allowing the system to complete its calibration cycle. When basic reset methods fail, advanced techniques using diagnostic tools become necessary. We'll explore professional-grade solutions and manual calibration procedures. The 4-scan method requires connecting an OBD2 scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port. This professional-grade software allows direct access to the body control module for precise fuel sensor calibration. Connect your diagnostic tool to the OBD2 port, typically located under the dashboard. The 4-scan software will communicate directly with your vehicle's control modules. This method provides the most accurate calibration, but requires specialized equipment and technical knowledge. The manual calibration method resets the fuel system by clearing stored values and forcing a complete recalibration cycle. This process requires patience, but can resolve persistent gauge issues. Start with a full tank and disconnect the negative battery terminal for exactly 15 minutes. This clears the system memory and prepares for recalibration. After reconnecting the battery, follow the ignition and idle procedures, then complete a full drive cycle from full to quarter tank and back to full for proper calibration. This manual method takes time, but often resolves calibration issues without expensive diagnostic equipment. Professional help becomes necessary when DIY methods fail or when complex issues are present. Recognizing these warning signs can save time and prevent further damage. A check engine light indicates diagnostic trouble codes that require professional scanning equipment. Multiple failed reset attempts suggest hardware failure rather than calibration issues. Professional service offers the highest success rate at 98%, while DIY methods achieve 87 to 94% success when properly executed. Choose the method that matches your technical comfort level and available tools.